Nā te tautoko a ētahi no te haukainga I tū ai te pāka H BlackBee ki Turanga Nui a Kiwa. E mea tautoko nā Boss Blackbee, were takake me aratu forests, kia whakaritia ai tēnei wāhi taraiwa waka mānu ki matawhiro. Wai nei hoki te kāinga mō te rauna tuawhā mō ngā rēhi waka mānu o te motu I ngā rangi whakatā.
So we thought it was a good opportunity, not just for us, but for Te Tairāwhiti as well, and just to help out with bring positive to the community. We've had floods, we've had a lot of negative, bad stuff going on around the place, so we just thought by this coming to Te Tairāwhiti and for the coast, it's really, really cool.
Kua tapaina tēnei wāhi ki tōna ake ingoa, ai kona ia e mātaki tahi ana me tana whānau.
That was a bit of a surprise to me. We just wanted it called Dunstan Road Drift Park, or but they named it after me, so I was sort of, a bit whakamā about it. These noisy fellas.
E hua tēnei nā āna heke ngā wera kia tū ai te whakataitai ki konei.
She's proud, so when you can look after the whānui like this, especially my mum. She hasn't seen anything like this, so and her sisters and
That's the best thing in the house.
Yeah.
So if you're a were takake fan, then make some noise for it. Put your hands together and show your love for the man who has been instrumental in bringing the sport to Gisborne.
E whakahirahira hoki tēnei whakataitai mōna, I nara I rēhi tana I ā-motu a were takake I mua I te haukainga.
Here's the biggest drive of most of what we're doing here. This has been his passion for a long time. We both used to do it when we were kids, and used to always watch the Drift Corp days and go to Pukikowi and all of that stuff. So he carried on pursuing his dream, which was to be doing D1 or competing professionally. And when we were coming down here and doing our little test days, it was seen online somewhere, and D1 approached us, so we thought it was a good opportunity, not just for us, but for Te Tairāwhiti as well.
I'm happy that it's named after something like Boss, because without him and Helena, I definitely wouldn't be here. There's a lot of money, financials that go into this.
Mō BlackBee ara noa atu ngā momo hā kina kua rongo I tōna wairua tautoko. O ia hoki te kai hāpai matua mō te whakataitai whutupōro a karapu o Te Tairāwhiti.
It's cool and good for our family and my father especially. Massive shout out to my dad. He brought us up the way we are, and this is just who we are, so yeah.
I te mutunga o ngā mahi waka mānu ka huri te aroa no ki te whutupōro, me tana hiahia a tōna wā ki te tautoko I te hunga JAB ki te Tairāwhiti. Rahia tumutumu, tai oro.